Now, how to interpret the table retrieved from Likert scale questions. Ibang-iba kasi yung gagawin natin dito from the multiple choice questions or ranking questions. So, medyo maraming proseso bago tayo makagawa ng interpretation ng table from the Likert scale as well as crafting the table. Okay, let's do this. So first, punta muna tayo dito sa Google Form. This is Google Form by one group. Again, punta tayo sa responses. So dito, makikita nyo na nabaliktad. Medyo mali yung ginawa ng itong grupo na point system. Kailangan sa strongly agree, 5. So, dapat ito 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, we will not follow the sequence of numbers dito sa point system. We will reverse it. Okay? Pero, ang kukunin natin dito, yung dami ng responses for each question. So, nakapaggawa na ako ng table sa Excel so that we can compute right away kung ilan yung mga nag-respond sa 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kapag kasi sinunod natin yung etong nagawa nitong grupo na to, medyo hindi tama yung magiging resulta natin. Hindi natin makukuha yung tamang verbal interpretation. So, let's just get the number of responses for each Likert scale. So, let's take this as 5, 16. Ito yung 4, 8. Then, 4. 0 tayo sa 4. Sa 2. Tapos, sa 1 natin ay 2. So, again, 16, 8, 4, 0, 2. Okay, punta tayo sa Excel. 16, 8, 4, and 0, and 2. Tama yung nakuha ko doon. I-center nga natin to para naka-align siya. Let's go back to check. 16, 8, 4, tama, 0, and 2. Oh, ilan yung total nun? So, si Excel na ang magto-total nito, no? Dito lang tayo ha, sa sum. Then, enter. So, we have 30 responses. And then, the next process is, i-multiply natin yung 16 sa 5. Okay? So, multiply natin equals 16 asterisk 5. Pag sa Excel kasi, madali lang. Pero kayo, sa papel, gamitan nyo ng calculator, no? Kung meron naman kayong laptop, you can do this in the Excel. And then we can copy right away. Ayan. Makukuha na natin na 8 times 4 is 32. 4 times 3, 12. 0 times 2, 0. 2 times 1, 2. And then, total din natin to. Okay? So, pag na-total natin, we will divide 126 by 30. Para makuha natin yung weighted mean. And then, we can interpret. So, dito, let's do this. Gawin natin na 2 decimal places. Ayan. Tapos, i-center natin. Ayan. So, 4.2, kapag niround natin dito sa sa nearest whole number, ay agree. O, yan siya. Yung verbal interpretation natin. Yun muna ilagay natin. Letter lang muna. Hindi yung buo. We will write the whole the word doon sa ating table. Okay? Okay, let's go to the next. Punta naman tayo dito sa Google Form ulit. Sa pangalawa, increase productivity. Ayan, meron tayong 12, 11, 3, 2, 2. 12, 11, 3, 2, 2. Ayan. So, total uli natin. We can just drag this to all of them para makuha natin yung mga total kung meron na tayong data. And now, again, we multiply 12 to 5. Ayan. Then, copy lang natin, drag lang natin. Magkakaroon na tayo ng total. So, ang total nitong 60 plus 44 plus 9 plus 4 plus 2 ay 119. Then, we divide 119 by 30. Kung ilan siya. O, yan. Meron na tayong 3.97 and 3.97 falls on 4. Agree. Ulit. Ayan. So, nakakadalawa na tayo. Let's go to the next on our Google form. So, we have 9, 9, 9, 1, 2. 9, 9, 9, 1, 2. 9, 9, 9, 1, 2. May total na kagad yan. Multiply lang natin uli yung 9 sa 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Drag natin. Then, we will have a total of 112. Divide natin yung 112 sa 30. Ayan. So, meron tayong 3.73. Kapag ito'y ni-round off, again, we have agree. Ayan. Next naman natin, the same process applies to all 10 items sa Likert scale. Di ba lahat tayo kapag may Likert scale, pero na lang kung may breakdown yung Likert scale na by sub question or sub area, tigpa 5 yun. Pero kung buo lahat yun, diretso yung tanong, then we should have 10 items. So dito 13, 9, 2, 5, and 1. 13, 9, 2, 5, and 1. Tama ba? Titingnan natin. 13, 9, 2, 5, 1. 13, 9, 2, 5, 1. Okay. Again, multiply uli natin yung 13 sa 5. Dun sa taas. Para ma-formula ko lang siya. Kaya ganun ang ginawa ko. And then, let's divide 118 by 30. We have 3.93. Again, we agree. They agreed. Sorry. They agreed. Doon sa kanilang, sa binigay ng ating mga researchers. Ayan, dito na tayo sa number 4. For number 4, we have hindi ko makita. Masyadong ano. Ayan, 16, 6, 2, 3, 3. 16, 6, 3. Sorry. Limutan ko. 16, 6, 2, 3, 3. Okay. 2, 16, 6, 2, 3, 3. Yan, nag-mix up. Next naman, multiply uli yung 16 by 5 sa taas. Ganon din sa 4. Yung 6 times 4, 24. Then, 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 2 is also 6. And 3 times 1 is 3. For a total of 119. Let's divide 119 by 30. And we get 3.97, which is also A or agree. Okay, next naman, punta tayo uli sa number 8. 11, 7, 6, 5, 1. 11, 7, 6, 5, 1. Total natin, 30 again. Then, divide muna, multiply muna sa taas sa 5. Then, 7 times 5, we have 35. 6 times 4, 24. Oh, sorry. 6 times 3, 18. 7 times 4 is 28. Then, 5 times 2, we have 10. And 1 times 1 is 1. Then, divide natin ulit 112 by 30. So, we agree again. If we round this off to the nearest whole number, it will also be 4. Ganun siya. Hindi siya magpa-fall sa 3. Okay? Pag ni-round off natin. Number 7, we have 16, 4, 5, 3, 2. 16, 4, 5, 3, 2. Dapat 30 yan, okay? So, ganun uli. Multiply sa 5, multiply sa 4, hanggang makarating sa 1. Yan. So, 119, alam na, 3.97, katulad nito, no? So, pero divide pa rin natin so that we are sure. So, lahat sila agree, no? Halos lahat, Pero, meron pa tayong natitirang dalawa. 11, 14, 4, 0, and 1. 11, 14, 4, 0, and 1. Multiply sa 5 sa taas. Yan. Add natin. We have a total of 124. Divide natin yan sa 30. Ayan. Lumagpas naman ng 4, pero 4 pa rin siya pag ni-round natin to the nearest whole number. So, medyo ganito kahirap pagka Likert scale. Yan. Pero, worth it naman kapag natutunan mo to. Naku, alam mo na. 19, 6, 2, 1, 2. 19, 6, 2, 1, 2. Total natin, 30 ulit. Multiply natin by 5. Yan. Medyo mataas to. So, we have 129 divided by 30. Click lang. Round it off to the nearest whole number and it falls on 4. Sa 4 ulit, kaya A ulit. And last na. Okay, we have 12, 10, 6, 1, 1. 12, 10, 6, 1, 1. Total, 30. Okay, so to make sure na total nila 30, laging ganon. I-add lang natin, okay? So, we have 10 times 4, 40, 6 times 3, 18, 2 times 2, 1 times 2, ito yon 1 times 2, kaya 2, and then 1 times 1, 1, then we divide 121 by 30, and 4.03 is our weighted mean, lahat yung mga yan. So, pagka yung weighted mean natin, ay nilagay natin dun sa kabilang table. Yan, dito sa Likert scale. Kasi meron na tayo dito. Nagawa ko na siya. Para lang mabilis tayo, no? So, limbawa, ito na yung table mo, no? So, alam mo na yung una, 4.20, 3.97, 3.97. Kailangan i-increase natin yung decimal sa 2 decimal places. So then, ayan. So, number 3, ano yung number 3? We have 3.73, sunod 3.73. 3.93 ang next natin. Sunod, 3.97. 3.97, 3.73, kung tama ako. 3.73, ayan siya. Number 8, number 7, 3.97. 3.97. Then, medyo matataas na itong mga dulo. 4.13. 4.13. Ay, sorry. 4.30 and 4.03. Puro sila may 3 at saka 4. Ayan, ito tama, no? 4.13, 4.30, 4.03. Okay? So, ito na yung average. Paano ko yan kinuha? I-add natin lahat ng weighted mean natin at i-divide natin by 10. And so, we get 4.00. So, dun sa mga verbal interpretation natin kanina na agree, lahat yan agree, no? Lahat na yan kasi lalo na yung ating composite mean ay agree din. So, lahat sila agree. Ay, sorry. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, consistent yung ating mga respondents with their answers. Ayan. So, punta tayo dito sa gagawa na tayo ngayon ng table. Interpretation, paragraph, so that we can interpret the Likert scale from the Google form. So, i-copy lang natin to. Lagay natin sa my document natin. Tayo ng document. So, let's go to another page. For example, this is table 20. Okay? Let's paste this. And we need to conform this to our prescribed size at saka font. Ayan. Kaya lahat sila 12 at Arial. Okay? So, ito dapat naka-bold letters. Ayan. Now, how do we interpret a Likert scale table? Okay? What do we do? So, in here, we will have, so assume natin nasa may dulo na tayo, kaya mag-ano na tayo, table interpretation na tayo, hindi na tayo mag-i-intro paragraph. So, again, this is double space and 0, 0 before and after. So, let's have our table number. For example, this is table 20. From the Google form, we can get the title, Impact of Study Habits on Respondents' Well-Being. Ayan. Yun na yung title natin. Isa yun na yung isa lang siya eh. So, impact respondents natin. After S, yung apostrophe, So, ganun lang. Be consistent in writing the interpretation and the paragraph. So, mauuna sa format, mauuna yung paragraph or interpretation before we go to the bago yung table. Kaya, dapat may table ka na ba para ma-interpret mo yan. So, from highest to lowest, i-ano natin to, i-rank natin to by from highest to lowest para di tayo mahirapan, no? So, I will use the sort property ng ng Excel natin para mapakinabangan, no? So, how do we sort this. Ito yung isa-sort natin. Yung data, sort. Anong column yan? Column ng weighted mean. From largest to smallest. Para yun yung unang-una nating ilalagay. Ito yung una nating ilalagay sa ating paragraph. So, hindi natin pwedeng baguhin yun sa table. Okay? Ganito pa rin dapat yung table natin. Ganito pa rin yung itsura. Kung paano yung order dito sa ating questionnaire, o ganun pa rin. Hindi nyo kailangang i-rumble to from highest to lowest. We can just show the discussion or the discussion from highest to lowest in the interpretation. So let's start with an indented form. Table 20 presents, copy the title, the impact of study habits to the respondents' well-being. Oh, sorry. No period yet because we are including the composite mean. Itong composite mean na ito at ang verbal interpretation, these are included in the first paragraph. Remember, we have 2 paragraphs in interpreting the Likert scale type of question. Kaya, yung unang paragraph natin is composed of the table number, the table title, the composite mean, and the verbal interpretation. So, table 20 presents the impact of study habits to the respondents' well-being with a composite mean of 4.00, interpreted. Let's enclose our interpretation with open and close quotation. Okay? Ganito lang yan. Ganyan lang siya. Then, the second paragraph is the discussion of each item from highest to lowest. So, sundin natin yung ginawa natin kanina. Ang mauuna natin ay enhanced academic performance, 4.20, with the verbal interpretation of agree. Okay? Enhanced academic performance. So, copy nyo lang yan. Pwede naman. Pero, we need to enclose this with quotation mark. As a weighted mean. This time, weighted mean. Not composite mean. Okay? As a weighted mean, then WM enclosed in parentheses of 4.20. Tama? Open quotation, agree, close quotation, semicolon is our separator in discussing the items in the Likert scale. Okay? Sorry, this is quite big. Fine. Next, according to our sorting of data, sorry. Letter C. Oh, no. I got the wrong table, sorry. Resilient in stress is the first item, by the way. Sorry. Resilience in stress. So, kung ganun, i-ano lang natin siya. Resilient. Stress. This becomes small letter because it's the next item, I think. This has 4.30. So let's copy this. Has a weighted mean of 4.30 for resilient, sorry. What's next? Yes, enhance academic performance. Next. So this time, sa pag-ano natin ng academic performance dito sa pangalawa, enhance academic performance, small letter na yung enhance. Kasi pangalawa na siya. Kaya lang natin kanina, pinapitalize yung in niya kasi akala ko yun yung una. So this time, meron na tayong, tatanggalin na natin yung mga has a weighted mean. So dito, enhance academic performance, WM equals 4.20, agree. Agree din naman sila di ba? Okay. Next naman natin is 4.03 rapport, 4.13. I think 4.13. Regularly attended classes, 4.13. Open quotation. So, ganun lang yung pattern, sundin lang natin. At hindi tayo mawawala. Very consistent lang naman yung pattern natin eh. So, pagkatapos nito, agree na naman. Ganun siya. Open quotation. Separator uli natin, semicolon. What's next? Ang next inline natin ay rapport with teachers, 4.03. Lahat naman sila agree. Kaya, talagang iaano nyo lang siya. Pag susunod-sunurin nyo lang sila, WM equals 4.03, open quotation, agree, close quotation, semicolon. Another, next. Susunod naman natin, increase productivity, tatlo sila. So, what do we do with items that have the same weighted mean? So, we discuss them once. Okay? We don't have to repeat them again and again and again. Okay? So, we have 3.97. So, let's get increased productivity. Let's begin with increased productivity. All of them should have quotation marks and separated by comma. So, this should be small letters. Again, second quotation mark natin, increase motivation and engagement. Let's copy, paste, small letter na yung increase. Then, sige lang, copy mo lang. Then, end ka dyan. Open quotation uli. Yung pangatlo naman natin, collaborate with group mates. 3.97 silang tatlo eh. Copy. Siyempre, pag sa papel, medyo talagang isusulat nyo talaga lahat yan siya. Okay? So, ito na, ang last. So, dito, lalagyan natin sila ng increase productivity, increase motivation and engagement, and collaborate with group mates. All WM equals 3.97, open quotation, agree, close quotation, semicolon. So, just follow the procedure para hindi kayo mawawala yung info nyo, para hindi puro mali. Okay? Ganun lang talaga, consistent lang tayo na gawin kung ano yung kailangan gawin, procedure, Kung capitalize, capitalize. Kung kailangan ng quotation dito, lagyan ng quotation. Para hindi yung maraming pula, namumula yung chechikan ko. Tsaka ang dami ko tuloy isusulat. Ang dami ko tuloy babaguhin. Tapos ikaw, i-rewrite nyo pa. Pero kung finalo nyo na yung mga prescribed format, procedures, and pattern, pare-pareho lang naman sila, you don't have to repeat your work kung minor lang naman yung ano yan, yung ating mga uh, i-edit, okay? So we have, next is the one with 3.93, improve time management. Tama ba ako? Improve time management is the next. Yes, let's copy this. Improve time management so that I don't have to type. Open quotation. Pero huwag kakalimutan, gawing maliit na titik ito. And then close quotation. WM equals 3.93, comma, open quotation, agree, close quotation, semicolon as our separator. This is the third to the last. So we still have two items, 3.73. But they have the same weighted mean. So this time, dalawa naman. Kanina, tatlo tayo. Ito yung tatlo natin kanina. Ayan. So isang discussion, ganun din tong dalawa. Isang discussion. Ano naman yung keyword natin dito? Both naman. Kasi kanina, tatlo sila, kaya all. All WM equals ganon. So this time, let's get yung dalawa. Reduce stress level. Copy. Close quotation. End ka dyan. Submitted projects on time. Copy. Small letter. Close quotation. Both WM equals 3.73, comma, open quotation, agree, close quotation, period. Sorry, I forgot to include here yung end kasi last discussion na to. Ayan. So, tapos na yung ating table number 20. Ayan. So, ito na dapat yung appearance ng issue ng ano natin, ng table natin kung tapos na. Ayan siya. Kailangan naka-justified yung ating paragraph, double space. And for Likert scale, we have two paragraphs. First paragraph being contained with the table number, table title, the composite mean, and the verbal interpretation. And then the second paragraph consists of all the items from highest to lowest discussion. Okay? So, no more additional opinions, insight, or personal ideas inserted. What you see in the data is what you get in the discussion. Okay, that's all. Thank you. I hope you learned something.